destination today. We're not riding far, we're riding to the harbor and heading to Surabaya on the boat called Disembarking 5. I got my ticket the other day and we're going through Lombok and then straight to Surabaya. So today I'm going to go sit in a cafe, do some work and wait for the boat to leave. At 7 o'clock I need to load my bike on, and then the boat leaves at 10 o'clock in the evening. So we got a day to relax and chill and, well, do some work. So not much of a day, but I'll talk to you when we bring the bike to the boat. All right, let's ride on. Ini kamu masih ada ya? Oke. The Disembarking 5, that's the ship that goes to Surabaya via Lombok. We'll be putting the bike in very soon. I'll be driving her in and then up to my room. Wow. It's a festive atmosphere around here. Still waiting, a bit of a long wait. They told us to be here at 7, the load, and the ship was supposed to leave at 10, but then I got a text saying that the ship was leaving at 9, so we had to be here at 6. So I got here around 6:30. 7:30, still no signs of me getting in. I was one of the first ones here. Now there's about 20 motorbikes waiting to get on. It looks like they're loading the trucks first. Lots of trucks coming in. So hopefully I'll be going in soon. All right. Saya pikir ada kelas 2.
Kelas berapa?
Kelas 2 saya pikir.
Kelas 3, biar dapat tangan itu.
Oke.
Kalau saya non-seat karena semua tiket kemarin sudah habis.
Oke, informasi ini ya.
Kita ke informasi.
Oke. Halo. Ya. Ya. Oke, terima kasih. Oke. Oh, so
Ya,
seperti ini. Oke. Ini masih bawa ini. Ya. Okay. Took the bed at the end. Easier to get in now. There's no electricity though.
kelas 1 dan kelas 2.
Hey, how you doing? Your bike? Nice. What is it? What bike is this?
Yes?
Motor apa ini?
Estrella, Kawasaki.
Kawasaki? Oh, Estrella?
Estrella.
250?
Ya,
Tapi dengan modif ya?
tidak ada modif.
Nggak ada modif ya? Apa?
Ini cuma ini.
Oh, cuma oke, kursi-kursinya oke, bagus lah. Alright, still waiting to see what's going on. It's getting hot here. Finally. Well, I guess that's it for this leg of my adventure. If you've really enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click like and drop me a comment, okay? I hope you've enjoyed it, and I do hope that we get to meet on the road. And until we do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.